Did you know that more than 70% of all car repairs don't actually come from accidents, but from simple driver mistakes and neglect? Shocking, right? Most of us blame bad luck, potholes, or even the weather when our car breaks down. But the truth is, most breakdowns are avoidable if you know the right tricks. After years of testing in real-world conditions, I've collected hacks mechanics will never casually share with you. Why? Because these tricks save you money, time, and sometimes even an expensive trip to the repair shop. Forget about fancy tools or costly upgrades, these are hacks you can literally start using today. In this video, I'm going to reveal 21 genius driving hacks that you probably have never tried before, but absolutely should. These hacks could save your wallet, your weekend, and maybe even your bumper. And make sure you stick around until the very last two hacks, they're true lifesavers in emergencies. Let's dive straight in with a shocker. Hack number 21. Adjust tire pressure for summer and winter. Most drivers know you should keep your tire pressure set according to the sticker on your car's door frame, not the numbers written on the tire sidewall. That's the basics. But here's the shocker. 92% of drivers don't realize this correct pressure is only for warm weather. When winter hits, cold air makes your tires lose pressure faster, about 1 psi for every 10 degrees Fahrenheit drop. That means if you don't adjust, your tires could be running dangerously low by midwinter. Low pressure means worse traction, higher fuel consumption, and faster tire wear. The fix? Pump your winter tires 3 to 5 psi higher than the recommended summer pressure. Your car manual usually lists winter specs too, most people just never bother checking. Doing this one hack alone can save you up to 3% on fuel efficiency and extend tire life by almost 9,000 miles. Imagine how much money you save just by keeping an air gauge handy. Hack number 20. Stop overfilling your fuel tank. A lot of drivers think they're being clever when they top off the gas tank, but this does more harm than good. And no, the biggest fuel myth, refueling in the morning for denser cold fuel, isn't true either. Here's the problem. When you pump too quickly, the fuel foams up, almost like soda fizzing. That foam doesn't just spill out, it damages your fuel filters, pump, and injectors. Even worse, it can harm your evap system, leaving you with repair bills anywhere between $30 to $600. Instead, fill your tank in stages. First, fill to about a quarter, then wait 30 seconds. Fill again halfway, pause, then finally top it off. This little patience trick can squeeze an extra 1.3 gallons into your tank safely enough for an extra 30 to 40 miles of driving. That's basically a free ride just for slowing down. Hack number 19. The thermal cascade to cool a hot car fast. We've all been there. You open your car after an hour in the sun, and it feels like stepping into an oven. Did you know the temperature inside can hit 160 degrees Fahrenheit in just 1 hour? That's hot enough to cook a steak medium well. Most people blast the AC directly in their face. Bad idea. All you're doing is blowing hot air straight at yourself. Instead, use the thermal cascade method. Roll down windows on one side. Open and close the opposite door 5 to 6 times. This fans out the hot air. Start the AC on max cold, but don't use recirculation yet. Point vents downward into the footwell. Hot air rises, push it up and out. Start driving with windows still cracked. Once it feels cooler, roll up windows and switch to recirculation. This method cools your car almost 40% faster than blasting the AC blindly. Next time your friends hop in, you'll look like a genius. Hack number 18. Crack windows to avoid steering wheel burns on a sunny day. A black steering wheel can reach 200 degrees Fahrenheit, literally hot enough to give you second-degree burns. A study found pain starts at 111 degrees Fahrenheit, First degree burns at 118 degrees Fahrenheit, and second degree at 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, touching that wheel after an hour in the sun? Not fun. The simple fix: crack your windows just slightly open. This lets the hot air rise out while cooler air flows in, reducing the steering wheel's surface temp by up to 30 degrees. A tiny gap in your window can save your hands big time. Hack number 17. Use cooking spray to prevent frozen doors. If you live in a cold area, you know the pain frozen car doors. Moisture sneaks into seals and locks overnight, then freezes solid. The next morning, you're stuck outside smacking your door like it owes you money. Here's the fix: cooking spray. Yep, the same stuff you use in your kitchen. Spray it lightly on the rubber door seals, wipe away excess, and it creates a water-resistant layer that prevents freezing. It lasts for weeks, but reapply monthly in harsh winters. No more embarrassing struggles in the parking lot. Hack number 16. Thaw frozen door handles with hand sanitizer. What if it's not just the door seals but the handle or keyhole that's frozen? Don't waste time pouring boiling water that can crack your glass. Instead, grab hand sanitizer. The alcohol in it melts ice instantly. Dab some on your key, slide it in, and twist slowly. Rub some on the handle too. You finally found a use for those leftover pandemic bottles stacked in your glove box. Hack number 15. Stop foggy windows with a potato. Driving blind because your windows fogged up is terrifying. Over 38,000 accidents every year in the US are linked to poor visibility from fog. Here's a crazy hack from World War II fighter pilots. Slice a potato and rub it across your windows. The starch creates an invisible layer that absorbs moisture before it fogs. It lasts weeks and works better than anti-fog sprays, which often leave streaks. Cheap, natural, effective. Hack number 14. Decode the fuel gauge arrow. Ever pulled into a gas station and embarrassingly guessed the wrong side for your fuel cap? You're not alone. 74% of drivers didn't know the fuel gauge arrow exists. Look at the tiny pump icon on your dash. See that arrow? It literally points to the side of your tank. Even older cars hint with the pump handle position. This hack saves time, embarrassment, and the walk of shame when you pull up on the wrong side. Hack number 13. Cover scratches with nail polish. A car scratch looks minor but can cost $3,000 plus for a repaint. Instead, grab a bottle of nail polish. Match the color, clean the scratch, dab polish, and buff lightly. Not only does it hide the scratch, but it prevents rust from spreading. Hack number 12. Repair windshield chips with nail polish. Yes, nail polish again. Clear polish works as a temporary sealant for small windshield chips. It keeps dirt and moisture out, delaying cracks from spreading. Costs $5, saves $500 plus. Just remember it's a temporary fix. Hack number 11. Use pool noodles on garage walls. Ever dinged your car door against your garage wall? Pool noodles to the rescue. Slice them lengthwise, screw them onto the wall where your doors open, and boom, cheap bumper guards. Saves your paint and your wall. Hack number 10. Hang a tennis ball to park perfectly. Misjudging your garage space is common. 70% of drivers do it. Hanging a tennis ball from the ceiling ensures you stop in the perfect spot every time. Old school, but effective. Hack number 9. Clean headlights with toothpaste. Foggy headlights reduce visibility by 30% and cost $700 plus to replace. Instead, rub plain white toothpaste on them, rinse, and buff. They'll shine like new for free. Hack number 8. Cupcake liners for cup holders. Cup holders are a mess. Crumbs, coffee spills, sticky rings. Pop in silicone cupcake liners. They keep cups snug, catch messes, and are dishwasher safe. Simple but brilliant. Hack number 7. Citrus oils to stay awake. Coffee takes 20 minutes to kick in. Citrus oils or even peeling an orange stimulate alertness instantly. Long-haul truckers swear by it. Cheap, safe, and effective. Hack number 6. Reset ECU yourself. When your engine acts up after a repair, it may just be your ECU confused. Instead of paying a mechanic, use an OBD2 scanner, under $50, to reset it yourself. Or, follow your manual to reset by disconnecting the battery. Easy fix, huge savings. Hack number 5. Check tire tread with a coin. Don't let shady mechanics trick you into buying new tires too early. Grab a penny if you see Lincoln's head tread is too low. This free test saves you hundreds. Hack number 4. Paper towel oil test. Wondering if your oil is still good? Drop a little on a white paper towel, let it dry for 2 hours. If it looks dark or has metallic specks, time for a change. Prevents thousands in engine repairs. Hack number 3. Emergency shift override. Dead battery and stuck in gear? Look for a tiny hole near your shifter. That's the override slot. Insert your key, shift to neutral, and push your car safely out of the way. Lifesaver when blocking traffic. Hack number 2. Stop kids' car sickness with a pool noodle. Motion sickness in kids is caused by what they hear versus what they see. Tilting their car seats slightly with a pool noodle lets them see the road, reducing nausea. Works like magic on long trips. Hack number 1. Use floor mats for traction in snow or mud. The ultimate survival hack. Stuck in snow or mud with no traction tools? Slide your floor mats under the tires and gently drive forward. It's not elegant, but it gets you moving and keeps you from freezing roadside. So there you go, 21 genius hacks every driver should know. Some save you money, some save you time, and a few might even save your life. The best part? They're all simple and inexpensive. But here's the truth. Your car is hiding even more secrets, tiny features built right into your dashboard that most people never notice. Trust me, once you discover them, you'll wonder why you didn't know sooner. Click on our next video, 23 hidden car features you'll regret not using sooner, and unlock even more insider knowledge. And don't forget, if these hacks saved you even $1 or taught you something new, hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss our next set of game-changing car tips. Drive safe, save money, and I'll see you in the next video.